Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video from 1Million Edu now. Today going to cover it. Today we're going to be covering multiplication for little people. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is basically the repeated addition of numbers. It's commonly used when wanting to calculate area or volume, especially when wanting to save time. It's also used to calculate large numbers of things. To calculate, we can use a simple equation. Factor times factor equals product. So here's an example. So this is how to solve the problem 2 times 3. First, we have to make two groups of 3. The second thing, we have to count the number of things we have, in this case shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we add the total amount to the equation. So 2 times 3 equals 6. This is the simplest way to solve a multiplication problem where you have like two things, whatever. Basically, this problem is the same thing as adding 3 times 3. So the multiplication table. This is the standard multiplication table. However, there's also a 1 by 10 by 10 multiplication table. They go up to 100 or 144. So here's a review. Multiplication is when you constantly add numbers together. It is represented by two factors which are multiplied to get the resulting product. A multiplication table is used to calculate numbers on a span of 1 to 10 or 1 to 12. That's only standard, remember. Here is the glossary. Multiplication. Number 1, multiplication. To add repeatedly, usually represented by symbols x or times and a star. Calculate. To find the value of something. Repeating over and over again. Area. The space of a two-dimensional figure takes up. We'll cover this in a later video. Volume. The space a three-dimensional figure takes up. We'll cover this in a later video as well. Factor. A number being multiplied in a multiplication equation. Product. The resulting number of a multiplication equation. Equation. A type of number sentence including at least two numbers and a resulting number. If you like this video, you can either watch the alphabet or watch the basics of math, or you can subscribe. Well, that's all. Bye.